Hello and good morning, day or evening. Hello, my alarm geeks. I should mention that if I sound anywhere dumb in this video, that I am actually not. I know that's hard to believe, but the reason why is because I don't script these recordings when I make them. I am going to do better at scripting them. The reason why is because I don't necessarily have words on what I'm going to say at the time. I'm going to do better at scripting the videos before I record them and go over voice recordings before I pick them out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Cue intro. You're looking in my sink. Now you're not. Now you're looking at my computer. There's a model I made. Or whatever. Anyway, this is my 100 subscriber special. This is a keypad. We're going to be restoring it and putting it back on the market. When I bought this, it said it was missing screw right there. But it's actually not. I ordered a whole part from Mauser. No, not Mauser. DigiKey. If I can find where I put the part. Where'd it go? I bought a whole new set of green terminals that I was going to put on that 4-spot because it was missing. Should have bought 3. Turns out I didn't need them. Although this was kind of cheap, I might keep them. You never know if I might need it. Anyway, this will be easy to do. Also, I should have mentioned I had an SE. That's probably going to go away. It's not. Yeah, I wanted to make a video on that. I didn't. Or I do have one somewhere if I can get it out. If the hold isn't now, but we're gonna work on restoring this to what will be looking like new-ish. It's not really yellow, so I don't have to worry about that. What we'll do is I'll take it out of the case, and we will. I wanted to look at the differences in between an older gen and a new gen. First, we're gonna test it, and then after that, we're gonna go see if it is First, we're going to test it, then we're going to take it apart. I want to look at the differences, then I'm going to clean it. See if it needs retrobrighting. Doesn't look like it does. Clean it, put it together, package it, put it on my website, and that's the website. And the website goes to my eBay, so it's going to be sold on eBay. So we're just going to take this apart and see what we can. This keypad is in pretty good condition. But I will mention, wait, I already mentioned that. Test it. Most inconvenient. Most inconvenient way possible. Good time? Okay, so that's a good sign. I looked, all the LEDs light up. This thing works fine. Let's go on to the next part. I also tested the keys when you were looking. Now, I'm going to take it apart and look what's inside. This one is fairly new. It doesn't have the MU-RADA, piezo. It does not. It has a regular new piezo. This one's a new board. So I know this one is made of after 2013, maybe? Around that time. So I know that. Yep, that works. There's the board in its fullness. The underside of the board, there are the contacts, there are the pin connectors, and that is what controls the LCD right there. This is copyright 2008. Most of them are copyrighted 2008. That one is as well. That clips out. It has a clip right there, and I gotta get this out. So if I lose this, it's not gonna look pretty. Although I do have a spare at home. So I'm gonna work on getting that out. I pull up right there on the tab. Right there, I push up, point with the screwdriver, and I got that out. Remove LCD. There's the LCD. These are prone to not working when you remove them, so you got to be careful. Is the matte, the Now the mat is out. Oh, please, I can hear with the headphones on. Here's the keypad all finished now. Looks clean. Looks brand new, to be honest. Now that I got this clean, I'm just gonna test it now. Let's test. That's a good sign. 311180, 311180, that's normal. So as you can see, the transformation went well. I didn't need to retrobrite it like I said I did before. As you see, this is why I need to script these things. I'll do better at that. Anyway, it went well and I posted it on eBay. You might have seen that there's not that big of a difference, but it is a little bit noticeable how dirty it was before. There is a bracket that holds onto the wall. The clips that hold the keypad in, one of them is broken. This is a common failure point, but it's not like the keypad's not going to be held on the wall. So that's okay. So anyway, this is the end of the restoration video. And thank you everyone who helped me get this far. My channel is still in the development stages, but I made it pretty far. And let's make it further. This is the beginning, and thanks for watching, My Alarm Geeks.